His name Ranjan, age is 21 years, and today date is 17th of June 2024, and complain of high-pitched voice even after puberty. I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
Sir, I have a high-pitched voice problem, so I'm here for...
So tell, what challenges you are facing in day-to-day life communication? See in the forward.
Yes, obviously, if someone asks me about why your voice is low. So
anyone has told you ma'am on the phone?
Yeah, yes.
Post-therapy video of Ranjan, and today date is 24th of June 2024. So Ranjan, why you came here and how do you feel after this 8 days of voice therapy?
I came here for my high-pitched voice problem, and now this is my 8th day of the therapy. So this is my voice after the result, and I feel very good and confident for speaking with some persons.
Have you spoken to any of your friends recently, and what was the reactions once you spoke?
Yes, I speak.
Interesting experience you have then. Tell me.
Yeah, I speak with many people, some of my friends. They didn't believe that it's me, and then he called up in a video call and said that is it you or someone is talking behind. So I feel I'm very confident now, and I can talk very confidently.
What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Kannada.
So tell in Kannada, what was the problem and how do you feel in this 8 days after treatment?
ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬ. ಸೊ ಒಂಥರ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾಯ್ಸಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಈಗ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂಥರ ಕಿಡ್ಸಿನ ಥರ ಒಂಥರ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇನಾದರೂ ಈಗ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಫೋನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂಥರ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಈಗ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತುಂಬ.
So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, sure, sir.
Thank you so much for giving the permission, and those who are watching this video, if you are able to see the positive changes in his voice, pre and post voice, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.